Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn the names of different bathroom items in English. Every time we go into the bathroom, we use so many useful things like a mirror, soap, towel, and more. Let's explore these words together and make your English vocabulary even stronger. This is a bathroom. This is a sink. This is a tap. This is water. This is a mirror. This is a small round mirror for shaving. This is a hand towel. This is a cup, maybe for rinsing your mouth. This is a comb. This is a toothbrush. And this is small toothpaste. This is a cotton swab. This is a razor. And this is shaving cream. This is a shower cap. It's used to keep hair dry while taking a shower. This is a box. This is a hair dryer. This is liquid soap. This is a cup holder. This is a bathtub. This is a drain. This is a faucet. This is a shower. This is a shower head. This is shampoo. This is shower gel. This is a toilet. This is the lid. This is the toilet lid. This is the toilet seat. This is the flush button. Toilet flush button. This is a toilet paper. This is a toilet paper holder. This is a bidet. We use this for a stinger to clean ourselves after using the toilet. This is a ring, towel ring, towel holder. This is a bathroom wastebasket. This is not a sponge. This is a washcloth. This is a bath towel. This is a towel rack. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye for now.